Team Jerome rules the air. Get in our way, don't you dare.
Amazing! Team Jerome just drew a map of Abu Dhabi.
We were fantastic! Beat that, Team Thunder.
Not happening.
Now it's Team Thunder's turn to show us some smoking designs.
Go Team Thunder!
Team Thunder, full of wonder!
Wow! Look how wide that contrail is. I've never seen one that thick.
Now, keep it closed. Whoa! Whoa!
They may need my help. Gotta go! Hang on, and we'll guide you both to the ground. Gotcha!
Rescue rope, action! Power bomb!
Whoa!
Team power, in for the win!
How are they, Zoe?
They'll be fine, but they are done flying for today.
Thunder! If you can replace your injured teammates, your team will be allowed to continue competing.
Yes! Dizzy and I will join your team. The new Team Thunder is here, and it's going to rock.
Let's do this!
Yes!
Here, subscribe to our channel.